naramdaman ko na he's not with us anymore. Kasi sedated siya, intubated, and I spoke to God, crying. I said, Lord, please save Haji now. If you do, I'll take care of him for the rest of his life, my life. Please, I want to take him home, Lord. Sabi ko, I felt na from the family, from the beginning when the dad and the son got sick, I felt that parang mas gusto nila to take care of him. Kasi, syempre 27 years ako partner ni Haji. I have things to say. I have things to share. Parang nagko-conflict kami sa opinion ng isa't isa. Nag-back out ako. And pag kailangan nila ako, I'll just be around.
Kinuha mo ba yung mga gamit mo na ron?
Oo, isang buong mall yung gamit ko.
Kinuha mo lahat?
Yeah, oo.
Alam kaya ni Haji na gano'n ang naging decision mo?
Oo, yeah. But, syempre, wala muna siyang masasabi for now. Kasi lahat ito biglaan eh.
Kamakailan po ay nakaranas ng matinding pagsubok sa kanyang buhay ang OPM icon na si Haji Alejandro. At ngayong araw na ito, eksklusibo po natin makakausap ang kanyang girlfriend sa loob po ng 27 years na si Alina. Atin pong kukumustahin si Haji at aalamin natin ang kanilang love story. Pero bago yan, subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel at sa Christine Babaws channel.
Hello, sir. Hi, hello. Hi. Good morning. Hi.
Pinapanood lang kita eh.
Grabe. Long time no see.
Lagi kita pinapanood sa body ko. Oh my God, ako sa katabi mo ngayon. Sir Julius, so nice to see you.
Nice to see you. It's been a long time.
Kasama na natin, Miss Alina.
Hi,
Alina.
Julius, everything.
Long time no see.
Nanonood ako sa'yo. I never
Thank
realized.
you.
Nandito rin ako.
Thank
so
you.
So nice to see you, Sir Julius.
Grabe, the last time I saw you was many years ago. Hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan.
Bata pa tayo nun.
Oo, parang. Kasama mo pa si Haji.
Haji
Alejandro.
Yes. Lagi naman ako, bit-bit ako nun palagi kahit saan.
Kayong dalawa eh. Kayong dalawa yung tandem talaga eh. Kahit saan magpunta, magkasama kayong dalawa. Inseparable, ika nga. No?
Yeah, iba talaga pag ina-idolize mo yung partner mo, tapos ang galing-galing mag-perform, you know. Ang pogi-pogi palagi.
Bago natin pag-usapan ang love story niyo ni Haji, gusto ko muna malaman kung paano ka ba talaga nagsimula? Paano ka na-discover?
From school pa. You know, when I was in high school, I was discovered to sing sa 5th generation New Minstrels. That was in the late 80s. So, ayun, nag-enjoy naman ako. And from there, na-discover ako ulit para mag-solo. So, doon nag-start yung singing career ko.
Ano ka? Ilang taon ka noon? Noong mga panahon na yun?
16.
16?
Tapos, doon din ako nagkaanak. Yeah, I became a mom at the age of 16.
Wow, bata.
But you know, since I've been exposed to nightlife, you know, may nakilala ko, and then wala, hindi ko na alam, biglang nagkaanak ako, and ngayon sobrang swerte ko sa mga naging tatlo sila eh, because after that guy I met, after 2 years, I met this wonderful guy who's 25 years older than me. Naging daddy ng 2 sons ko. Hello, Ben. Papa Ben.
Uy, okay pa rin kayo?
Oo, kasi daddy? Minsan sabi ko, Dad, pautang naman, Dad. Kasi parang daddy yung treatment ko sa kanya. And, you know, masarap lang na he's still there. And I know that he still cares for me. You know.
And he takes care of the kids?
Yes, still.
Inaalalayan niyo yung mga bata.
And, you know, I have 3 grandchildren.
Lola ka na?
Yes, I am a lola.
Oh my gosh! What a young-looking lola!
Kasi syempre, aga ko nagkaanak. Syempre, nasa right age sila eh. Nagkasawa sila. So, pero ang sarap pala. Kasi yun yung pag may mga problema ka sa buhay, pag pala may apo ka, I will never deny my age anymore. Kasi I'm so proud of being a lola.
I can never guess your age.
You
Kung
can.
lola ka, I cannot. Because you're youthful looking. Siguro pag may nakakita sa'yo, ang tingin nila mga 40 plus.
Uy, naku, thank you. But there's more.
There's more, Pag sinabi mo senior ka na, hindi na kami talaga maniniwala niya.
Hindi pa,
Hindi.
mga 4 years pa, senior na ako. And
Oh
excited
my
ako sa
gosh.
senior card.
Anong secret mo?
Tanga.
Anong secret mo sa beauty mo?
And there's
Tanga ba yun kung beautiful ka pa rin ngayon?
Oh, thank you kay Miss Raytan of Beauty Derm. Ayan, ako-free ako. Hindi, pero I'm one who would not dwell on mga problema na hindi ko kayang ma-solve, you know?
Yeah.
You know, if there's something that came in my way na unexpected, I talk to God. Sabi ko, Lord, paano ba itong gagawin ko? But not till I was in my 40s, Dati kasi parang happy-go-lucky na, oh, I like this, I like that, ganun. Hindi ko pa alam ang ginagawa ko. But lately, pag nung naka-encounter na ako ng mga masasakit na mga bagay, and I question myself, bakit nangyayari sa akin to? And then, my brother is a pastor, so, ayun, mas lalo ko nakilala si God na talaga palang siya ang may hawak sa ating lahat.
So, yan ang isa sa mga formula mo, spiritual, na kailangan you have a close relationship with God. Healthy eating, of course, no? Isa yan sa mga ginagawa mo.
I have been a pescatarian the past 10 years. I only eat seafood and vegetables.
Wow. What about exercise?
Naku, tamad. Tamad ako.
Hindi ka nag-exercise?
Hula hoop, treadmill, I play golf. Sometimes, once in a blue when I play basketball, tennis. Wala eh. Hindi, lang ako, swerte lang ako sa jeans ko. Maliliit ang buto namin, magkakapatid. And ang masama lang, mahilig ako sa sweets eh. At this age, kailangan medyo... Kaya ko mag-ubos ng mocha cake eh, nung birthday ko nga last week. Bumili ako ng mocha cake. Inubos ko yun. Yung fork ko, iniiwan ko na dun eh. Para pagbili ka ako sa
Oh my gosh. Pina-check mo na ba ang ang dugo mo, kung may mataas ang sugar mo?
Ay, hindi. Oo, nag-check kasi walang
okay
choice
naman,
eh.
Okay naman.
Okay.
So wala ka pa mga dyan, pinapagawa sa sarili mo? Wala pa?
Wala pa naman. Kasi
Wala.
gusto ko na nga eh.
Hindi kailangan.
Naku, thank you.
Talaga?
Hindi, skincare lang talaga ang secret. And all natural lang.
In person, guys, parang kahawig niya si Alice Dixon. Mahal ganun ang beauty mo.
First time lang yun na gusto.
Really? Parang ganun ang dating. Pareho kayo, na parang hindi kayo tumatanda dalawa.
I love her. I really want to meet.
So, going back to your career, saan ka kumakanta?
Sa hotels.
Mga hotels.
Kasi
Lounge singer ka.
I was the breadwinner ng family. Ako yung panganay. I have 4 younger brothers who are all very successful now and they have their own families. Ayun, sa hotels. And then, nakadiscover sa akin si Margot Gallardo and Biker Music. And I released my first album called Alina. And that's where I sang my novelty songs. Kung naalala mo, Sir Julius, kahit gaano kalaki,
Pare sabon.
kahit gaano kalaki. O, diba? Sexy eh.
Double
Ngayon,
meaning.
kinikilabutan na ako ngayon.
Kahit gaano kalaki, ha?
Tapos,
Pero hit yan.
nag-hit siya. Oo, talagang kumakanta ako sa mga probinsya na hindi ko pa napuntahan. Sa basketball court. Sa lahat ng mga fiesta, ang saya-saya ko na. Yung mga hindi ko napupuntahan dati.
Kasi dati lounge singer ka, di ba? Sa mga club, sa mga bar.
Ang sarap pala na ma-meet mo yung mga
Masa ka na ngayon, no?
In all walks of life. No, I was so blessed. Yung second single ko, Pasumpa-sumpa ka pa. Hindi yung may mura,
Paano yan?
Ano siya? Pasumpa-sumpa ka pa sa akin, ngunit ikaw pala'y sinungaling.
Bigit na naman yan.
Dito ka mo.
Dito na yan.
Dito ka mo. Alam mo, masimikat yung mga kanta ko kaysa sa akin eh. Pero I love it kasi pag biglang kinakanta ko, ikaw pala yun! Gaganon sila.
Nag-iba, no? Nag-iba yung profile ng mga fans mo.
Pero nag-quit ako.
Teka muna, bago ka mag-quit, dalawa lang ba yan? Dalawang hit songs na yan?
Dalawa.
Hindi
Kasi
naging movie yan?
Dapat tatlo eh.
Hindi naging title ng movie?
No. Pero parang sinali din nila sa ibang movie. Just a bit of it. Sinasali nila. Pero I don't think na full title siya ng movie.
What is it like to have a hit noong mga panahon na yun? Anong take mo dun sa na yun? Yung success ng mga songs mo na yun?
It's a dream come true. Kasi kung ikaw singer ka, gusto mo, Siyempre, kanta mo nasa radyo.
Lagi pinapatugtog.
Lagi. Tapos gusto mo, pag kumanta ka sa show, lahat sila kinakanta nila.
Oo. Ginagano mo lang yung mic, no? Kakanta na sila.
Sobrang saya-saya.
Yung kita, okay ba? Magandang kita pag gano'n? Pag naka-hit song ka?
Hindi. Ako kumikita kasi dyan yung mga composers eh. So we just get a talent fee sa mga venues. But hindi ko naramdaman yung talent fee. Kasi nga, I support my family. I give them...
Breadwinner ka talaga.
Hindi lang ako mahilig mag-ipon eh.
Anong trabaho ng parents mo?
My mom is a housewife. My father passed away.
Okay.
Siguro 20 years ago na yata yan. He's an employee in an insurance company.
Ikaw ang panganay sa family. So ikaw sumuporta dito sa mga kapatid mo?
Yeah, I tried to.
At lahat sila ngayon mga okay na?
Professionals na sila. And masisipag din sila eh. Kasi sila rin, later on, sila na rin nag-support sa sarili nila. And ibang-iba talaga mga kapatid kong lalaki. Ako kasi parang bunso kung umarte.
Puro lalaki ba yan?
Puro lalaki.
Kasi ikaw lang babae, nag-iisa.
Ate ako, pero yung arte ko, parang bunso ako kasi sometimes I get very immature, impulsive. But you know, that's who I am. You know, and I enjoy it kahit na may mga maraming mali. You know, tinitiis ko lang and then, you know, just enjoy the rest of the, mangyayari.
So, na-discover ka ngayon sa New Minstrels?
New Minstrels and then Bicor Music.
New Minstrels muna. Sino-sino mga kabatch mo dyan?
Si Chad Borja, nasa 4th siya, tapos sumali siya sa 5th generation. And then, kami lang nakapag-recording nun eh, ni Chad. So, matagal din. Tumanda din ako sa group and then, nung nagtuloy sila sa band, nag-solo na ako.
Yun yung packaging na na sexy singer, parang gano'n.
Ako nagulat ako sa concept ng Bicor. Biglang
kanilang concept yun sila nag-isip idea.
Biglang sexy. Kaya ko ba yung maging sexy? Parang di naman.
And you had 2 hit songs?
2 hit songs.
So why did it stop? Yung pagkanta mo?
Wala mo sabi. Ako dun I had to give way para sa partner ko kasi hindi ko alam, basta gusto ko siya na lang yung pinapanood ko and I wanted to just be with him and not be with a lot of people. So I wanted to spend time with him.
Saan mo na-meet si Haji? Saan mo siya na-meet?
Diniretso na talaga, ang kilabot. Through Rico Puno.
Hindi ba dumiskarte si Rico sa'yo?
Dumiskarte pero binasted ko 2 million times.
Sabi ko na, imposible hindi dumiskarte si Rico.
Sabi ko, Rix, hindi kita type eh. Hindi talaga kita type. Pero he's still there. Napaka-sweet kasi nung lolo na yun eh. But there was one night, nagka-campaign kami sa Makati. Magkaibang district kami. So while waiting for my time to sing, kasi alam mo pag kampanya, ang tagal, di ba? Madaling araw. So I went to this...
Tumatakbo si Rico doon?
Tumatakbo siya.
As counselor.
Tama. Tapos, I went to this bar na may billiards. Syempre, sanay ako sa billiards. So, I played by myself. Nakita ni Rico yung car ko kasi uso nun yung may pangalan, yung mga kotse. Pasok siya. Laro kami. Hindi marunong. Papakyut lang. Maya-maya, na-telepono. Pare, di ba magaling ka mag-bilyar? Punta ka nga dito kasi tinatalo ko nito. Maya-maya may pumasok, parang kilala ko to Pero hindi ako pinapansin.
Suplado?
Like I wasn't there. Laro siya, hindi ako tinitingnan. Tinatalo ako.
Magaling.
Magaling na ako
mas magaling yun.
Mas magaling. Ayun na yun. Nalaglag na ang lahat ng malalaglag.
Nung gabi niyo, nalaglag lahat?
Nalaglag lahat.
Ang bilis naman.
Pero hindi sa kanya nalaglag. Hindi pa.
Wala pa. Okay, linawin natin. Kasi sabi mo nalaglag. Okay. So wala pa.
Wala pa. Pero sobrang kilig ko kasi first time na ako naka-encounter ng lalaki na sinupladuhan ako, hindi ako tiningnan. Tinalo pa ako sa billiards.
Na-challenge ka ngayon.
Yun yata yun, Sir Julius.
Na-challenge ka.
I think I answered the question already kung anong nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Yung pagkasuplado niya.
So ano nangyari after nung game na yun?
Wala lang, usap-usap lang, kumain kami.
Medyo na siya, nag-warm up na siya sa'yo. Kinakausap ka na niya.
Hindi pa masyado pero nag-ask ako ng rematch. Kasi gusto ko pa siyang makalaro ulit. Kaya lang, yung date na magre-rematch kami, hindi makarating si Corix. Hindi rin makarating yung may alalay-alalay ako nun eh. Hindi rin makarating yung dalawang kasama namin. wala kaming choice but to be together.
Aha.
Ayun. So, nag-inuman ng konti. And the rest is history.
Ayun na.
Total, matured naman kami noon eh. So, you know.
You were how old during that time?
30s na yon.
You were 30.
Oo.
Siya naman, mga... ilan taon
Plus
siya
15 years. 15 years kasi yung gap namin.
Mga 40s, no? Oo. Anong nag-click sa inyong dalawa? Habang nag-uusap kayo, nagde-date kayo, anong
It's music.
music?
Talking about music.
Oo.
And yung mga current events, hindi na masyado eh. Pero yung talagang sa amin is family and music.
Oo.
And
So,
in sports.
mahilig sa sports. First impression mo sa kanya, suplado, nung naging close na kayo, nag-uusap na kayo, anong nakita mo sa kanyang ibang ugali niya doon sa first impression mo?
Well, OC siya, which I'm not. I'm never. Napakalinis, napaka-vain.
Oo, mukha naman eh.
Yung buhok,
Parang yung buhok niya hindi nagagalaw, no? Parang
hindi.
ayos na ayos, di ba?
Pag ginala mong buhok nun, mag-aaway kayo. Pero tinanggal na niya yung bigote niya, kaya ano siya. Clean cut, napakalinis. And, you know, sa age nga niya na 70, hindi mo sasabihin na 70 siya because...
70 na siya. Oh.
Kasi maganda yung katawan niya and his voice is, you know, ganda pa rin.
Ano pa nagustuhan mo sa kanya? Aside from yung kanyang pagiging neat and ano?
Well, his intellect, napakatalinong tao, napakalalim. Pero hindi siya romantic.
Hindi siya funny?
Ewan ko ba? Very funny. I was
Very
about to
funny.
say, yeah, very, very funny.
So ano pa mga memorable na na nangyari sa inyo?
Well, the trips, yung pagka... every time kasi may show siya, it's a great experience for me. Kasi I see how he sings sa harap ng maraming tao, how he's able to fascinate each and everyone. Because he's Haji.
Yeah.
Nakikita ko may mga umiiyak. Yeah, lalo na yung mga ka-generation niya. I was always amazed. Napakasarap niyang panoorin pag...
Anong song niya yung grabe ang response ng mga tao?
Halos lahat eh. But nakapagtataka. And kay ganda na ating musika. Yan yung mga ano.
Mga classics niya yan eh, no? Paano pala siya nag-propose sa'yo?
Hindi naman siya nag-propose eh.
Ano nangyari?
Ewan ko ba? Parang nag-propose ako sa sarili ko.
Kasi naging fan ka ni Haji.
Actually, ang fan niya, mama ko. Mama ko talaga. Kaya lang, naging fan ako ng yung isang song niya talaga, Sir Julius, yung Tag-Araw, Tag-Ulan. Parang kasi ganito yon. When I was 2 years old, yung brother ng mother ko uso yung gitara, di ba? Tag-araw, tag-tag. Nakabisado ko yun. I was only 2-3 years old.
Okay.
So, hindi ko alam
Not
kung sino
knowing,
yun. Not knowing na makikilala ko.
Yung singer.
Nung kinakanta na niya yun, alak ka. Diyos ko, yun na.
Yun na.
Marry me. Hindi, ako lang yun. Ako lang.
Doon mo lang nalaman, nung nagde-date na kayo, na siya pala singer. Anong reaction mo nung nalaman mo gano'n?
Sobrang kilig.
Oh. Pero hindi pa kayo nun? Wala pa?
Wala pa. Pero imagine mo, no? After 27 years, pag kinakanta pa rin niya yung mga kanta niya, still amazed. Kinikilig pa rin ako.
Oh, wow.
Because it's how professional he is, how he loves to sing. And, well, I think everybody knows, no, lately, kumanta pa rin siya, even when he was in pain.
What's he like pag hindi siya nagpa-perform sa stage? Pag kayong dalawa lang?
Lagi lang sa bahay.
Homebody?
Oo, lagi lang sa bahay. We would watch separately. Kasi hindi ako mahilig makinood ng sabay eh. Gusto ko may sarili ako. Minsan magkaiba kaming gusto eh. Sa kanya, crime and action. Ako, medical, stories, series ang mga gusto ko eh.
Okay. Tapos?
Love story, ganyan.
Ano pa? Nagluluto ba yan sa bahay? Ano mga
Hindi, pareho kami hindi nagluluto. We just want to go out and eat. Minsan tatanungin niya ako, saan mo gusto ngayon? May sipag yan mag-drive. But not lately kasi puro traffic na din. So yung love language niya sa akin, hindi yung roses, hindi yung singing me a song, but you know, to ask, anong gusto mong kainin today? Yun ang love language.
Food, no?
Nainis naman ako kasi nagda-diet ako. But he loves to go out and eat.
At mahilig kayo mag-travel together.
Yeah.
Saan sa mga bansa kayo nagpupunta?
Well, kasi hindi kami nagta-travel just because gusto lang namin kami. It's a blessing that nadadala kami sa ibang bansa because of work. So, sa Amerika, kung saan sa Amerika, Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong. Sa Europe, hindi pa eh. Actually, dream ko sana yun, but I don't know if it's going to happen.
Pwede pa, no? Oo. So, you took a backseat. Talagang ano ka na lang? Parang kasama ka na lang ni Haji. Nawala na yung karir mo.
Nawala. I became his manager the past year. And then, yun na, nag-aantay lang ako sa kanya.
Hindi ka nalulungkot na nawala yun, yung part ng life mo na yun?
Minsan, especially when he sings. And then, when somebody sings with him, sabi ko, bakit hindi na ako kumakanta when I can still sing? Pagka lumalabas ako with my friends, they would ask me to sing. But ano bang ginawa ko? Why did I lose those opportunities to sing again and maybe record a song?
Hindi ka rin niya in-encourage na kumanta, mag-record, at mag-perform kasama niya sa stage?
Not really. Not
Talaga?
really. I think it's because ayaw na niya ulit ako ma-expose sa ganun field. Kasi feeling niya, inaalagaan na naman niya ako because he sings. But yung passion ko, na matagal ko nang ginagawa since 14 years old, parang hindi niya masyado ako nabasa sa ganun. Because he sees me as a contented and a happy person with him.
But deep inside,
I'm sad kasi...
sad ka.
But you know what? Last year, Tito Ray Valera gave me a song.
Anong song to?
It's called Dapat Ba Akong Mangarap, and it's been played all over the radios ngayon, and I've been promoting it. Medyo nahinto lang because, Haji got sick.
Pero alam ni Haji na magre-record ka ng kanta.
Alam niya.
So nagbago na?
Hindi lang siya makahindi kay Ray Valera. Kasi si Ray Valera yun eh.
So first time in how many years na nag-record ka? The last time was di ba, novelty songs.
Ano ba? 20 years ba yun?
20 years after ka lang nakapag-record ulit. At wala na nagawa si Haji kasi nga si Rhea nag-ano.
And it's a very good song. Ang ganda-ganda nung kanta na yan.
It's about what?
It's about someone like me who has dreams and asking myself kung dapat ba ako mangarap, kung kabaliwan naman na ibigin ka. It could be to a person or it could be applied to career. Na dapat ba ako mangarap? Like ako, dapat ba ako mangarap at this age, at 56, na reject na many times and failed many times? Dapat ba ako mangarap na makakanta ulit, na marinig ninyo ulit ang boses ko? Ganon yung kanta na yun, sa song.
Pero sa buhay, pwede mo i-apply. Diba, dapat ba ako mangarap? Kailangan bang ituloy ko yung aking dreams na, di ba?
It's perfect right now because it's only now that I realize yung lyrics ng song. Dati kasi I just sing it. Pero ngayon, pag tinitingnan ko yung lines and then when I sing it, sabi ko, tingin ko hindi na ako dapat mangarap. I just have to do it. It doesn't matter if they listen to you. It doesn't matter kung walang tao dyan. Ang importante, you always follow your heart. Because when you follow your heart, masaya, masarap. Wala kang inaapakan, you're happy.
Anong lines dun sa song na yun na stick sa'yo?
Yung dapat ba kung mangarap, kung kabaliwan ang ibigin kita, dalangin ko sa tuwing damdamin ay mahina na, sana ay bigyang lakas ang puso, lumaban pa.
It's so close to home. Parang yan ang nararanasan mo ngayon.
Exactly.
No?
Nakakakilabot kasi dati kakantahin ko lang yun. But if I record it again now, iba na yung pakiramdam ko. Probably I would cry in between. Kasi, it's hard. It's hard to be rejected. It's hard to be unaccepted. But, iniintindi ko Kasi syempre, iba-iba ang pananaw ng mga tao, iba-ibang characters. And these days, sabi ko nga sa'yo, Sir Julius, I don't depend on my own feelings anymore. Kasi every now and then I talk to God, especially when Haji got sick. Sabi ko, Lord, today is for you. Whatever I say, whatever I do, kayo po yan. You just lead me because I don't trust myself anymore. And things happened na talagang nakakalungkot, sobra. But you know, in my heart, I feel relieved. I'm happy to be able to pay attention now to myself and to people I love.
Ano naalala mo dun sa day na nakaranas ng symptoms ng sakit si Haji?
It was just an ordinary day na he had a show. And then, after that, he...
Sa abroad ba yun o local?
Dito sa Bigan.
Sa Bigan lang?
Oo,
Okay.
kasama yung Hitmakers. Parang na-bloat siya. And he could not breathe, he could not eat, he could not do anything. So, sabi ko, pa-check up siya. And si Haji kasi is one who would not, you know. Well, kaya lang, wala lang choice. So, when he had a CT scan, nalaman na. Pinabasa niya kasi he just did not trust yung nakasulat eh. But it's all there. But you know Haji, he doesn't like listen to you and you know understand and you know gusto niya yung authority, gusto niya yung doktor. So well, he heard it from the doctor and then he said that he needed to have an operation like ASAP.
Anong initial findings?
Ano agad? Stage 4 kaagad na colon cancer. Yeah.
Colon cancer.
Stage 4 kaagad.
How did he react nung sinabi sa kanya?
I did not see any reaction from him. I think knowing him for 27 years, he's scared and ano siya, hindi pa siya makapaniwala.
Okay.
And I know in his heart, malalampasan niya yun kasi he's been very strong. You know, bigla lang talaga eh. Nag-golf siya, you know, he does everything. He walks. Ako nga yung tamad eh. Healthy eating naman siya. And all of a sudden, you know, that happened.
Hindi siya umiyak o na-depress after malaman na...
Hindi siya umiyak. Hindi siya umiyak, but I know. Isip siya ng isip. Iisip siya ng isip.
So immediately after that, ano na? Yun na. Operation na agad. Ang recommendation. Mabilis yun.
After two days, kasi ano siya, dehydrated and kailangan medyo lumakas siya.
Okay.
And then, from the operation, mukhang okay siya eh. He started to talk, ganyan. After 2-3 days, he started to have some seizures. And then, we found out na nagkaroon siya ng infection. So, narush siya sa ICU. And it took a while kasi they were trying to find out saan nanggagaling yung infection. Because it's not from the operation. It's from somewhere else. Kaya nga restricted na rin yung ICU that time kasi baka saan siya nakuha yung infection. And then, finally, nalaman na nila. And then, after a week, tinanggal na yung respirator niya. And then, he began to talk. And it was my birthday when I prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, sana sa birthday ko, nasa regular room na siya. And my prayer was answered. Nasa room na siya. Ngayon, nagte-therapy siya ng mga sumunod na araw. And today, he's home.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yeah, and meron lang siyang walker kasi nag-aaral ulit siya na galawin. Kasi nawala na siya ng muscles eh. Talagang wala. He's incapacitated to one time and wala. Pero ang ganda ng memory niya pa rin. Kwento pa rin siya ng kwento about things we don't remember anymore. Ang ganda ng boses niya and I would like to thank all his doctors for taking care of his vocal cords nung na-intubate siya. Kasi usually mga intubate, masisira na yan eh. But they really took care of him and thank you so much sa mga doctors sa Medical City. Thank you so much.
Galing ano? Nakauwi pa siya ng bahay pala, no? It was a close call, no? There was a time na talagang you were worried na pwedeng hindi na siya mabuhay.
It was that day when I felt, naramdaman ko na he's not with us anymore. Kasi sedated siya, intubated, and I spoke to God, crying. I said, Lord, please save Haji now. If you do, I'll take care of him for the rest of his life, my life. Please, I want to take him home, Lord. Sabi kong ganun. Tapos, bumubuti siya.
nakatulong ba yung yung mga prayers ng mga tao? Kasi it came out in the media na meron ng ganung pinagdadaanan si Haji. So
I was blamed by the family.
nagalit sila. Ikaw ba nagsabi no? Ikaw ba naglabas sa media no?
Not the media, but to the best friend of Haji.
Ah, okay. Ano nangyari?
Siyempre, critical siya eh.
Oo.
The family wanted it to be private and I respect it. So, pero na naging critical si Haji, I had to tell someone. I had to tell his best friend. So, sinabi ko, I did not know naman. Good intention naman yung best friend niya to tell San Beda group. San Beda kasi si Haji. Tapos naging viral. And I was blamed for it. But sabi ko, look, everybody prayed. So, and there was this video also na naging viral.
Oo.
Na yung mom, I took the video because I think that it is a very special moment for Lola and Haji. Hindi ko sila nakikitang ganun eh. Actually, tulog lang si Haji noon, hindi siya critical. No? Just resting, tapos kinakantahan lang ni Lola. It was so wonderful. I shared it with the Alejandro family, but I did not know that somebody from that group would share it to someone who has, of course, good intentions. But to ask for prayers. So, naging viral na talaga siya. And so now, kahit biniblame nila ako, I thank you all for sharing that video and for sharing yung nangyayari kay Haji. Because of your prayers, okay na siya ngayon. And I think, I told Haji he'd be able to sing again. Siguro kahit may bag siya forever. It's okay, you know? Sanayan lang naman yun. But the voice is there. And alam mo, mas lalong gumwapo.
Ay, talaga?
Oo, kasi lumiit yung mukha niya gano'n.
Bumata.
Sabi namin ni Rachel, ang gwapo. Sabi ni Rachel, gwapo na ni Dad, no? Oo nga, lalong gumwapo ngayon.
When was the last time you saw him?
Last time was last Sunday, nung nandun pa siya sa hospital. But then, I had to, can I share it with them?
Sure.
I felt na from the family, from the beginning when the dad and the son got sick, I felt that parang mas gusto nila to take care of him. Kasi, syempre 27 years ako partner ni Haji. I have things to say. I have things to share. Parang nagko-conflict kami sa opinion ng isa't isa. So that Sunday, something happened, something not so good happened, and I apologize for whatever I said, no, but I just got hurt. And I feel like Haji's been my partner for 27 years. I think that kilalang kilala ko na kasi siya. But now, putting myself in the shoes of the children, iniisip ko kung ako din yun, mas gustuhin ko na kasama ko ang tatay ko. Kasi pamilya siya. And I'm not a wife, I'm just a girlfriend. So I think kung ganun ang technical ang pag-uusapan, the family has all the right to have him, to be with him. So nag-back out ako. And pag kailangan nila ako, I'll just be around. So right now, I just want to go back to work and catch up.
But you're not just a girlfriend. You're a partner. Diba? You're a companion.
I would love to think
Yung
so.
pagiging wife is a technical term. Diba? Because kailangan married ka. But since hindi ka married, but you're living like a couple, diba? A husband and wife, ganun ang setup nyo, diba?
Yeah, but the stage of Haji's life now where everybody has to compute or write down everything, technical is very important.
So you used to live there, no? Of course, no? Doon sa bahay niyo ni Haji.
Yeah,
sa Antipolo.
Yeah.
So, was it your decision to leave or pinaalis ka nila doon?
They didn't say anything, but I felt that I have to do it. Para kasi nag-hire na ng private nurse eh. So, parang wala na akong gagawin.
Hindi Hindi naman. Yeah.
But it's okay. Family
So
comes
you
first.
left on your own? Ikaw na mismo ang umalis? Kinuha mo ba yung mga gamit mo na ron?
Oo, isang buong mall yung gamit ko.
Kinuha mo lahat?
Yeah, oo.
Alam kaya ni Haji na gano'n ang naging decision mo?
Oo, yeah. But,
Ala.
syempre, wala muna siyang masasabi for now. Kasi lahat ito biglaan eh. Hindi naman namin pinractice na kung magkasakit siya, anong gagawin natin? Walang ganun eh. Kung magkalabuan tayo, anong gagawin natin? Kung nireject ka ng family, anong gagawin natin? Wala eh. Walang practice lahat to eh. So, you just have to, well, ako, sabi ko, I just followed my heart. Umalis na lang ako para they would be able to take care of him na walang mga kontra-kontra. Kasi meron din, kontra din ako minsan because I know Haji. So, I respect them all as family. Kasi sabi ko nga, ako yung anak, baka ganun din gawin ko. Pero, I probably talk to her. Maybe talk to me and say na, Lynn, thank you for but can we just be with our dad? You know, okay yun eh, di ba? Pero
so, walang ganun?
Pero yung maramdaman ko lang na na parang wala kang ginawa and wala kang magagawa. Masakit. But I'm a Christian and I don't have hate in my heart sa kahit sino. So naintindihan ko na lang yung gagawin nila.
I know you're close to Rachel. Were you able to talk to her about that?
Rachel is a wonderful person. I just realized itong mga nangyayari sa dad niya that, she has a heart. Dati pag nakita ko si Rachel na siya, very professional lang, very cold, Pero hindi. Napakatalino niya, babae, napaka-loving. And she has a wonderful husband who kisses her all the time.
Anong feelings niya rito sa decision mo? Anong sinabi niya sa'yo?
I haven't spoken to anyone. Kasi recently lang nangyari yun. I just wish them all, sana maalagaan. I'm sure they will. But
anong pakiramdam mo talaga na malayo ka sa kanya ngayon? It's no joke 27 years. Hindi biro-biro yung panahon na yun. And all of a sudden, magkalayo kayong dalawa.
Kung kailang may sakit, no?
Yeah, kung kailangan ka niya. Wala ka doon. How do you feel about that?
In my mind, wala na yung mga trips namin. Wala na yung mga dreams namin na kakanta kami. But in my heart, I feel relieved.
Ah, really? Why?
Kasi that Sunday when that thing happened, when I went to church, sabi ko kay God, I'm praying for peace right now. Peace lang po sa lahat. Sa family ko, family niya, sa bansa natin. But more of yung nararamdaman ko ngayon na this thing that I have in my heart, please heal me. And please, Lord, give me peace. In 2 hours, something happened that I had to confront something. And then it ended there. Sabi ni God, go on with your life. You take care of yourself. Kasi pwede naman ako magmahal pa din kahit naman malayo Hindi naman yung love na parang, ayoko na love, bukas hindi na. Bata yun I still love him very much. So, pwede na munang ganun yun ngayon. And if he really loves me, he'd say, yes. Patuloy ka pa rin mangarap kasi dapat kang mangarap and do it because you have an opportunity.
Nag-uusap pa rin kayo sa phone?
Hindi
Hindi na rin. The last time was kailan? Wala. No communication. Even he can text, diba? He can. Send? Oo. Nagte-text ba siya sa'yo?
Hindi ngayon.
Hindi mo na. Oo.
I know him. 200 years na kami naghihiwalay.
Talaga?
Hindi yung mga petty lang na mga... Hindi ko kasi lumayas Alam mo yun. Tapos ako rin babalik. Parang tanga.
Pero tingin mo kakayanin niya na wala ka? Knowing him?
Siyempre kaya niya yun. Kung ako tatanungin mo, sasabihin ko kaya niya. Kasi paisa hindi niya kaya, yabang ko naman.
Hindi. Siyempre, kilala mo siya Para kayo mag-asawa talaga
But there's really nothing he can do right now. Kasi hindi naman niya kailangan lumabas. Siguro kailangan niya kasama pag kakanta siya. Then I'll be there. Pero ngayon kasi bahay muna siya while he's healing.
Pero you plan to visit him one day? Meron ka bang ganun?
Pag na-accept na ako ng mga dapat mag-accept sa akin. Kasi ayoko naman na andyan na naman ako, sabihin na naman. I just want everybody to have positive vibes na walang negative. So, kung hindi ako dapat makita doon, wag na muna. Kasi nga sabi ko, yung love naman, pwede naman yan na nasa heart.
From afar. Loving from afar.
And praying for that person.
Ano bang reason, Alina, bakit hindi ka nagpakasal? Sa loob ng 27 years na yan, hindi ba pinag-usapan yan?
Nag-aantay ako. Kasi single pa rin ako eh. Hindi naman ako nakasal dun sa mga wonderful men I've been with. Well, kasi underage din ako nun eh. He never really asked me.
Hindi siya pwede pakasal?
Kasi hindi naman annulled yung first marriage niya.
Oo.
Sa Amerika, pwede kami.
O bakit hindi sa Amerika?
Hindi ko alam. Basta hindi lang nangyari. Pero wala kaming anak because I have my own, he has his own. Pero syempre gusto ko rin magkaanak. But ang advantage lang nun is we can go anywhere we want. So okay na rin. We have dogs. So
you wanted to get married? Kung ikaw tatanungin?
Yeah, yes.
Ang nangabuso walang pinipiling biktima. Ako walang pinipiling ipagtanggol. San man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Erwin Tulfo, kakampi nyo sa Senado. Ang nangabuso walang pinipiling biktima. Ako walang pinipiling ipagtanggol. San man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Erwin Tulfo, kakampi nyo sa Senado.
Ayaw lang talaga niya. Saka ang tindi rin ng ng love mo for him and yung patience mo for him na hindi ka nag-insist. Kasi yung ibang babae, magbibigay na ng ultimatum yan. Pag hindi mo ako pinakasalan, goodbye.
Kasi baka pag nag-insist ako, hiwalayan ako kawawa naman ako.
So, gano'n mo siya kamahal?
Siya ang first love ko. That's why it's so hard to mag-inarte ako at umalis. Kumbaga sabi ko, kahit anong gawin sa akin nito, okay lang. You know, when he got sick, sabi ko kay Lord, if he'll be in pain, kung ma-survive niya to and he'll be in pain, Lord, please take him now. Because I can't bear na si Haji magkakasakit kasi he's never used to pain. Hindi sumasakit ulo niya, hindi sumasakit siya niya. And all of a sudden, ganyan siya, di ba? But you know what? I know in my heart talaga na kakanta siya ulit. I know, ang ganda ng boses eh. But maybe, pag dumating yung time niya, I won't be there anymore. Because I'll be attending to my life and, try again. But I'll be very happy for him and always pray for him. Talagang my one and only love talaga.
So ito na yung beginning ng panibagong buhay mo. Bagong chapter ng buhay mo na to.
Yes.
Anong in-expect mo or what are you excited about dito sa bagong journey mo sa buhay?
Thank you.
Sige, what are you excited about?
Thank you so much kasi ngayon magmula nung nag-change path ako, medyo nagbakasyon muna. I had a reunion with my good friend Edith Fider, who happens to own this company called Saranggola Media. And he said that she's going to pass it on to us. And partner ko dito si Miss Liz Alindogan.
Oh, okay.
Oo, ang Dolphis Angel. Na napakaganda at napakabait for now partners.
Yes.
Dito sa bago naming company. It's called Diamante Media. And so we're coming up with streaming at it is One Network's streaming platform. Parang Netflix yun eh. Marami mangyayari. We have cinemas, projects online. And sa OWA, we're working with OWA kay Administrator Arnel Ignacio because we have a program for OFWs and concerts and management program also for actors, performers, models. Madami kaming plano ngayon.
Siyempre, babalik ka na ulit sa singing, no?
Singing and acting.
Babalik ka ba ulit sa pagkanta ng mga novelty songs?
Pwede naman. Kaya lang pag corporate event, bawal kantahin.
Pero doon ka sumikat, doon ka nakilala ng mga tao.
Pag pinapakanta sa akin, kinakanta ko talaga yon.
But are you open to singing again like songs like that?
Yes.
Di
Why
ba?
not?
Na magpapaligaya sa mga Pilipino.
Ang music naman, international language and, you know, and generation, adapted naman yung mga yan, di ba? So, I know it will make them happy if I sing those songs. Kasi, ang dami kaya masa.
Yeah, totoo.
Diba?
Marami na nakamiss sa boses mo at sa mga kanta mo. Iniintay ka na nila.
Pakinggan niyo po yung bago kong kanta, yung Dapat Ba Akong Mangarap. Talagang ma-inspire kayo na, you know, to try again. And, you know, regardless of age, tingnan niyo naman ako, 56, but, you know, I'm still trying. And, you know, at this age, I have dreams pa rin. I have dreams of helping pa rin other people. And yun ang nasa puso ko ngayon. Kung ikaw na-reject ka, okay lang yan. Kasi alam natin na may mga nagmamahal naman sa atin na hindi tayo i-reject. There are just wrong people for us. So, we just move on.
Anong dreams mo for yourself?
Wow. Sir Julius?
Anong pinapangarap mo para sa sarili mo at the age of 56?
Para ang tagal ko nang di tinanong yan na, na hindi natanong sa akin. Dream for myself?
Yeah.
In terms of?
Your personal life, your career, ano mga dreams mo for yourself? Do you dream of having your own family? You know, you're having a husband?
I just dream of being loved. Hindi ko sabing again, I just dream na may magmamahal talaga sa akin. Regardless of who I am. Kasi syempre, may topak din siguro ako na baka spoiled ako eh. You know, I don't know. O tanga. I don't know, but you know, sana bigyan ako ni Lord someone who would really love me and the package. You know, mga anak ko, my whole family. Career, I want to sing again.
Sing again.
I want to touch the lives of, hindi sexy touch the lives of kahit gaano kalaki. Iba na touch naman nun eh. No, I mean, I want to be able to touch the hearts ng maraming tao, especially yung mga OFW. Because I know how much they miss their family. And make people happy. Ganun lang gusto ko sa buhay.
Kung sakaling mapanood ni Haji itong interview na to, ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Hilig mo magpaiyak, Sir Julius.
Ano message mo kay Haji, ang iyong partner for 27 years?
I call him Love. Love, if you're watching this, pareho tayong nagugulat sa mga nangyayari. Like what you're going through right now. I just want you to know that I am with you. The pain, all the pain that you feel, I feel it 200 times. Kasi, because I know you, kilala ko yung dulo ng buhok mo hanggang sa kuko mo. I know because ako nag-aalaga lahat niyan. Ako nag-aalaga ng buhok mo, kuko mo. But then, things happen, no? And kung ano man tayo ngayon, it's okay. Okay lang ako. Sana gumaling ka na. And I know you will. I know you will sing again. It's my dream to see you with the Hitmakers. And mahal na mahal kita. And I will always pray for you. And pagdasal mo din ako, ha? And sana maging malapit kay God, lalo na ngayon. Please do not forget na isa lang ang pinanggalingan natin lahat. And pare-pareho lang tayo lahat, regardless of sikat ka or mayaman ka. Isa lang naman pupuntahan natin, di ba, love? And makikita tayo lahat dun. And maybe then, baka maramdaman ko na yung love mo sa akin. But I love you. I love your family. From my heart, mahal ko kayong lahat. Thank you, Sir Julius, for this opportunity.
You're most welcome, Alina. If there's a song that you wish to sing for him, what is this song?
It's called Longer. Longer than any beaches in the ocean, higher than any bird ever flew. That's how I love you. Longer than everything. I'll be in love with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Alina. Thank you. I wish you all the best, all the luck in the world sa iyong bagong chapter ng buhay mo.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
luck,
you so
ha?
much.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Julius and Tintin would like to thank the following: Pure Gold